Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Shopify to Claude AI. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Claude AI as you see from here, and then you need to click on the dashboard button on the top left. After that, you need to click on your profile picture, and then you need to navigate to the settings menu. Now the settings menu will appear. You need to actually navigate to connectors tab, and you need to click on customize connectors. You need to click on the Add Connector button as seen from here and then click on Browse Connectors. After that, you need to search on the search bar for Shopify. As you see, here is Shopify. You need to click on the plus button, and now you will be redirected to a Shopify tab to actually sign in onto Shopify. Now you can actually use your Google account, your Apple ID, or even Facebook to sign in to Shopify, or you can use your email address. Now if you go back to the connected section, you will find Shopify connected, and you can actually change all the permissions and all the settings for Shopify, and that's how you can actually connect Shopify to Claude AI. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.